Want to change the scale of your clips and give your viewers a closer look? Let's see how to zoom in a video. We'll be using Clipify, an automatic video editor. Let's get started. We have already added the clips to the timeline. First, let's see how to zoom in on a whole video. Select the clip, hit the crop button, and choose Crop. Select the aspect ratio. We suggest that the ratio corresponds to your project proportions. This way you'll avoid black bars. Now scale up your video by adjusting the frame. You can change the position of the frame simply by dragging it with the mouse. Hit the preview button to see the result. Click Save when finished. Now let's see how to zoom in a part of the video. Select the clip and move the playhead to the start of the video piece you want to zoom in. Click Split on the toolbar to separate this part from the rest of the footage. Now move the playhead to the end of the video piece and separate it too. Select the separated clip, hit the crop button, and choose Crop. Set the aspect ratio, adjust the grid, and hit Save. Preview your video from the beginning. If satisfied with the result, save your project or hit the Create Video button. Download Clipify and zoom in your videos in a click.